3, 2, 1, go. All 4 robots making their way across the fields. Blue's going to take this autonomous. We're going to go to driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. All 4 teams being busy, busy, busy. Trying to be strategic. 12E using those match lows, introducing them into the field right now. We have 62A moving those red mobile goals into his own. 3050A roaming around, grabbing their own red mobile goals out from this corner. 9737-1A taking advantage of no robots in their corner to pick up those cones. 62A scoring a mobile goal with 4 cones into that far zone. 12E scoring 2 cones onto that stationary goal in the middle of the field. 9737-1A doing their own thing, scoring their mobile goal into that middle zone. Looks like a whole lot of action going on here. Robots being moved around. We have 23 seconds left in this driver control period. We have a little bit of a tussle going on. In this field. We have 10 seconds left in this driver control period. Teams are trying to be strategic. Let's see if that pays off. Who's going to win this match? We'll find out very shortly. Guy, over to you.